Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable split screen on this device. Simply go to the settings and scroll down, tap on advanced features. So here you can see the option multi-window. Now here you can see the option swipe for split screen. Now I already enabled this one. If you tap on this one, here you can see how to enable the split screen or how to view the split screen. Just swipe up with the two fingers from the bottom of the screen. Let me show you. You can see the split screen is enabled. And at the bottom, you can see the applications, and here you can open any other applications. So simply here, I am going to open the clock. Now you can see the settings page is here and the clock application is here. Okay, if you tap on the three dot on the middle, then now here you can switch the applications. The first option, you can see the first is clock and the down is settings. You can see. Okay, so if you want to disable this one, tap on the three dots and swipe down. Now you can see that is disabled. So simply in this way we can enable the split screen on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.